So just today, I came back from a consultation for a corporation with regards to voice cloning, and I was showcasing ElevenLabs. And also, I just got done creating tutorials on ElevenLabs. And ElevenLabs has added a decimal point to the 11 and a bunch of zeros because it is now valued at $1.1 billion. Is AI the new crypto? This is insane. Take a look here. So here, Reuters says that voice AI startup ElevenLabs gains unicorn status after latest fundraising. By the way, if you're not familiar with what unicorn status means, that's just a venture capitalist industry term used to describe startups with a value of over $1 billion. And companies that are another example of this is like OpenAI, SpaceX, Reddit even. So it says on Monday, ElevenLabs raised $80 million in Series B funding from investors led by venture capitalist Andreessen Horowitz, and he's been an existing VC investor in ElevenLabs, along with entrepreneurs Nat Friedman. Nat Friedman, if I recall correctly, is the former GitHub CEO, and Daniel Gross. And Daniel's involved with Apple AI, he's one of the leaders in that company. So with participation from Sequoia Capital, among others. The 2-year-old firm did not disclose a valuation, but the person said that the round valued it at $1.1 billion. That marks a jump from the $100 million valuation in its previous funding around 2023, showed data from PitchBook reflecting expectations for a surge in adoption of AI voice generation by firms as varied as games giants and movie studios. By the way, ElevenLabs, headquartered in London, if you guys were curious about it, and it only employs about 40 remote workers globally. It plans to expand to 100 by the end of the year, its chief executive, Maddie Stanishevsky, told Reuters. So if you've been following the channel, you know that I've been pumping out a bunch of tutorials on ElevenLabs. I actually went ahead and received the professional Promo Ambitions voice. It sounds exactly like me. It is freaky. I'll let you guys listen to it right now and you'll see how close it is. Subscribing to my channel means that when artificial superintelligence takes over and all of the fears of singularity prove to be warranted, the AI robots will not harm you because you have subscribed to Promo Ambitions channel, and Promo Ambitions is seen as an ally by the AI superbots. That is pretty gnarly, right? A little bit freaky. So the interesting thing is there's really nobody breathing down the neck of ElevenLabs, at least not something that is showcased, something that I believe is still behind closed doors and still being perfected is Whisper by OpenAI. And what Whisper is it's an automatic speech recognition system trained on 680,000 hours of multilingual and multitask supervised data collected from the web. The use of such a large and diverse data set leads to improved robustness to accents, background noise, and technical language. Moreover, it enables transcription in multiple languages, as well as translation from those languages into English. We are open sourcing models and inference code to serve as foundation for building useful applications and for further research on robust processing. I will include this link in the description so you could read a little bit more about it, but I still feel like OpenAI is going to release something really impressive with Whisper. As a matter of fact, a lot of that voice stuff that you're playing with in ChatGPT, where you could talk to it and it talks back to you and all that jazz, a lot of that, the technology behind it is Whisper. So it's going to be interesting to see exactly what OpenAI does with Whisper's technology and if it's going to impact this ginormous $1.1 billion valuation of ElevenLabs. So make sure to check out these two tutorials. So the first one I created is ElevenLabs full tutorial, and the other one that I just created yesterday was ElevenLabs professional voice cloning. And you got to listen to the professional voice a little bit earlier, which sounds exactly like me, and is super freaking out my family members, my girlfriend. It's wild. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think on this situation. Should ElevenLabs be valued at $1.1 billion? Is AI just the new crypto and there's just way too much crazy buzz and euphoria around it? I want to hear from you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see all of you in the next video.